Good morning, Your Excellency. In 2021, it was targeted at processing 400 cattle and 1,500 sheep. Now the idea was to take us from the usual slabs that are built locally, but to create an edifice, that will give us professional. Actually, farmers concession, private investor, TechFarms.
You will recall that basically the three projects we visited had to do with the agri value chain, and I believe that if we have to be self-sufficient in food production, and if we had to have adequate or enhanced food security, then we had to also support the local farmers and promote local food production. All these projects that we visited when running will of course provide for employment opportunities for the youth we have and for Nigerians as a whole. And I believe that if all of those projects are optimally running, it will also add to the economy of the nation. I think, I did observe, of course, also that a lot has to be done to make sure that that place looks habitable for those who are there. I think the contractors did promise they were going to complete that job in 2 months, and I want to assure you that we'll be there to see how far they have gone.
Two times, look at your phone, yeah. Twice.
Yes.
Welcome, Your Excellency. I will just start on there. Now, the idea is I want to take food houses, facilities like training, research, and then of course agro-tourism. So there's a whole lot that can occur here. But why this place was in the place was established in 2010, and then since then, in the shadow of the summer, the established the tax maybe to declare the extension. But what they said. Okay. So what do you have here? What do you have?
So this place the farm is divided. Yes, left. Like sweet corn, carrots, ginger, the vegetables. We made these bricks here when we dug the lakes. The clay from the lakes, we use them in making this brick with hydroform machines and use them in building these houses. So these ones we call them Moringa flats, named after Mor. So these are hospitality sections. We would proceed to see the agro production sections for main base. This also. So we are approaching the from the Excellency, this is the aquaculture department. That other side is the hatchery where we do the spawning for the fish, and then we spawn them, we bring them out here into these ponds. These are nursery ponds. After the nursery, we move them out to this area. This area is called the grow out section. We have four series. Each series, this is D. We have C, we have B, and we have A. Where we are now is the D. Each of the series has 12 ponds. So we multiply the 12 by the 4. We have 48 ponds of this size. And each one of these can have a holding capacity of 1,500 to 2,000 table-sized fishes. And then another section again where we use them, you know, to do our business also. So this water goes there. And from the eating pond, it goes to the rice field. We have rice field. Very large lakes, very large. But the shrubs, the bush has covered all of them. They are inside. There are 12 lakes. 2 of them are one. It's the same. The conference center is an amphitheater with open sides. And the leaves, when they get dry, those leaves, we gather them. We use them for mulching. And they have the capacity of adding nitrogen to the soil. So we just send them back to the garden for them to pay back for their seed. The last program that took place here before we started was the Ubuni Women Training Program, sponsored by High-Trade. We trained 300 Ubuni women. See how the trade is today. It's a shadow of itself now. So we'll go this way. Yes.
Come on, can you come on?
So this place, sometimes they come to shoot here, Nollywood, this place. Some of the movies and some of the videos, musical videos are shot here. Opposite us is the car park, stretching from here to the other end. So the industrial park 1. The equipment that is there and the parts are all there too, like the trailers. They are there. But I want to show you the picture one side, this way, sir. So this will be a 60 kVA generator. That unit is the SH unit control.
Permanent secretary. Okay. Fine.
No, we are going to.
Doc,
are we going to do that people come here to buy organic with the pipes releasing the water to the vegetables at intervals.
and a good thing.
I think the best bet is to suspend any development around this area until this job is completed. It doesn't really make sense. What about these other ones? These ones are they've been like that. The house is especially okay. So, when are you delivering?
An average of 2 months. We've already connected the sub-drain, so we're working within the other area now to connect it.